Hello guys, so this is the part 2 of the video where I'm going to teach you how to make the handle for the semicircle bag. So kindly stay tuned to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also leave a comment below if you are new. Okay, so let's make the handle. So we are going to add 4 beads. I'm pretty sure this one you can do it by yourself because it's not difficult at all. So 4 beads, cross with the fourth one to give us a ring of 4. Then you're going to add 1 bead on each side like this. So one here, and then you're going to cross with the third bead to give us another ring of 4. Okay, then you're going to repeat it for the last time. Again, like 1, 2, 3 on one side. Then you're going to cross with the third one like this. So it will also give us a ring of 4 beads. So just be repeating this. So at this point you're going to add 3 beads. So 1, 2, 3. This is just like a mock-up sketch of the length of the thing you're doing. What you'll be doing will be very long. Okay, so next we'll pass it through the next bead. Then we'll add 2 sugar beads. So 1, 2. Then we'll cross with the second one to give us a ring of 4 beads like this. Then we are going to pass it through the next bead again. Then we add 2 beads on one side, like on the side, and cross it like this. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you are familiar with how to do this, so it will not be difficult at all. Then after you get the required length, you are going to close here and then also fold here like this. Then all you are going to do is pass the beading thread. So you're going to add 1 bead here like this. Pass the beading thread through this bead right here, and you are going to cross with 1. So this part is just a crossing path. We'll just be crossing like that through to the end. Okay. So the actual thing you are doing is going to be 44. So as I'm counting this side, you're going to do 44. So when you finish and you count, you're also supposed to get 44, then when you finish, you are going to tie a knot like this. So this is how the design is done. So the design you saw at the side of the bag, yes, is a knot, so like this. Then you just join the sides, so this side right here to the one side of the bag, and then the other side to the other side of the bag, and that's basically it. And joining, when you count the side, it is 5. So 1 2 3, the middle one's 1 2 3. So from the middle one, that's what you are going to join at. So as you can see, 1 2 is the middle one. So when you pass the beading thread, you add one bead like to the handle like this. Then you're going to pass the beading thread through the middle bead here. You see, okay. Then you add another bead, and you are going to make a knot. But when you do this, you would know that it will not stand firmly because the handle is quite bulky than the hand. So you can also close so let me tie this place first. Okay, so when you tie something like this, okay, so it should be getting something like this in the end, but you see that the side is quite flexible, so you can bead along to close it so that it can be heavy. Then you repeat the same thing at the side. Yeah, so when you're done, you should be getting something like this. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.